Let's make a refreshment using orange. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B kitchen. To start, we are going to be needing fresh orange. Over here we have 5 pieces of orange. All I do is to transfer that inside a bigger bowl. Next, I will be adding some water. I will use that to get that twist. After adding the water, then I will be adding some vinegar. So over here I have vegetable vinegar, so I will use it to get that twist. What I do next is to take my knife, then cut that. At this point, you don't need to be peeling the orange one after the other. Just this process is going to help you to get your orange peel. I will just cut that into 2 and then divide it again into 2, so that is just 4 sides. And after doing that, I will just use my hand to bring out the back, and then I have my orange like this. Just so simple and nice. I will keep on this process. What we need next is blender. So over here I have the blender that I'm going to use to get that process. I'm going to get that blend twice, then I'll add in water and cover that to get a beautiful blend. Now I'm done blending the orange. What I do now is to add that inside a screamer. So I'll be needing screamer to get that fitted. So I just press add the juice and get rid of the fiber. So I will just keep on this process until everything is fitted and ready to enjoy. Now I'm done filtering everything, and this point is ready to enjoy. You can see how clean and nice that looks. So I still make use of this filter. This one is net, so for you to get that delicious and clean juice, use your filter net. So what I do now is to transfer the juice inside a jar. So this is the jar we are going to use to enjoy the juice. So at this point it's ready to serve. Look at this juice, guys. All we need here is just orange to get this delicious refreshment for yourself. What are you waiting for? Share this video and follow this process to get your orange juice done. You are going to love it with your family. I love you guys. Help me to share. This is just how we get this enjoy. It was just so refreshment. I love you in my next one. Oh yeah, bye.